Hello and welcome to Grammar Level 1, Exercise 2. In this exercise, we'll still be focusing solely on parts of speech, and today we'll have some particular notes about the pronoun, the use of the pronoun. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I have 3 sentences today that need to go in the notes. So here they are. At the top of the page, put the date, the month, the day, and the year, Grammar Level 1, Exercise 1. And here are your sentences. She left her money, but I remembered mine. Susan walked past my house, and I walked past hers. And Tom and Jerry brought their drama into my classroom. All right, so there are the 3 sentences. Go ahead and pause the video now, let people get those down, and when you are ready to go, hit play again. All right, so welcome back. I would assume that you are ready to go through the answers for sentence A. I'm going to move it to the top of the page here, and I'll talk you through as I go. So she is a pronoun. This is a first person subject pronoun. Left is a verb. This is an action verb. Okay, what she left, the thing she left was money. So I'm going to put a noun down underneath money. Then I know that the I is also a pronoun. I'm just kind of working through here what's easiest for me. And remembered is a verb. Okay. Now, I go back through, and here's where we get a little bit tricky with the pronouns. We've said before earlier in the notes that her is a pronoun. Okay. And it is kind of. And it's possessive. Some people call it a possessive pronoun. Others call it a possessive adjective. Because it is talking about and in a way describing an object, a thing, her what? Her money. We have here an adjective. So I want you to put ADJ underneath her because in this case it's an adjective. It's a possessive adjective. It's talking about a thing, telling us which one. Over here we also have in our notes a word that would show up as a pronoun. Okay? But it's not saying mine money. It's not describing. There is nothing over here, right? There's nothing here. So this is acting like a pronoun. It's taking place of a noun, and it's not describing anything, so we have a pronoun there. All right, so go ahead and hit pause for a second and try sentence B and see if you can come up with the correct answers. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to lead you through sentence B. Susan walked past my house and I walked past hers. Susan is a noun. It's a proper noun. Okay, walked is a verb. Okay, past my house. Noun goes underneath house, of course. Hers. Past, I walk. Oh, we got another verb here. So if I have 2 verbs, I must have a conjunction, I think. I might as well look for a conjunction. So I'm looking for a word that joins 2 groups of words or words themselves. And here we've got and. Here's my conjunction. It's one of the 7, and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Okay? So if I've got a verb over here, conjunction here, I might as well look for a subject in this group of words. So I have I as a pronoun. Okay? Susan walked past my house. Past. Past is showing the relationship between the walking and the house. I could have said into my house, around my house, but I chose to do past my house. A word that shows the relationship between 2 things is a preposition. Okay, this one's showing this is a preposition of direction or of space. Now I'm left with my. Well, I know this is a possessive, either a possessive pronoun or a possessive adjective. So if I can say the word my, ask what, my house, my is describing which house, that would be an adjective because it's helping describe a noun. Over here I've got the word past. All right, in this case, this word is showing the relationship between walked and hers. And what I mean by hers in this sentence, as I know from before, I'm talking about her house. But that word isn't in the sentence. We're talking about past hers. So this is going to be an adjective. It's a possessive adjective. If this word is showing the relationship between two words on either side, it's got to be a preposition. Same as it was earlier. All right, go ahead and try sentence C. Try to put down the answers for sentence C. I'll be back in just a second with the correct answers. Okay, sentence C, here we go. Tom and Jerry brought their drama into my classroom. I'm going to start with what's easiest for me. I like proper nouns. There they are. That's a noun and a noun. Here is a word joining these two words, and it's one of the 7, and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. So I'm going to get it out of the way right now. That's a conjunction. All right, so now I've got a noun, conjunction, noun. Every sentence has to have a verb or it's not a sentence, so I'm going to look for my verb here. Brought. Brought is an action verb. It's right there. All right. Now, classroom is a place. That's a noun. Okay, so now I know that the 3 exercises today are working with pronouns, possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. So let's focus there. I've got my. Is this a pronoun or an adjective? I say the word and ask what? My what? My classroom. That is a noun. That makes this an adjective, a possessive adjective. Okay? Their. We've got another pronoun here. Their what? Their drama. Let's see, can drama be considered a noun? It is a thing. It's an abstract noun, but it is a noun. So that would make this a possessive adjective as well. Now I've got this word into. Into what? Into classroom, into my classroom. This word is showing the relationship between brought. It's where they brought their drama. Into, not beside, not near. This is a preposition. There is no pronoun in this sentence. We've got 2 possessive adjectives that look like pronouns, but there is no pronoun in the sentence. All right. That's it for Grammar Level 1, Exercise 2. I'll see you later at Grammar Level 1, Exercise 3.